Hey, I'm Jim with Digital Anarchy. We're here at IBC and we're showing off our new product, Transcriptive, which is automatic transcription and video search and captions for Premiere Pro. It's a panel that lives within Premiere Pro itself, so it's fully integrated into Premiere. And basically what we're doing is using artificial intelligence and machine learning to automatically transcribe your video tracks. Basically, you can take a 60-minute video and get it transcribed in about 10 minutes for about $4. And so it's very fast, efficient, and inexpensive to do this type of work. And one of the beautiful things about it is that once you have the transcript, all that data is now living within Premiere Pro. So you've got all of this text, every word has timecode associated with it. So you can not only create captions and subtitles and all that, but if you know what was said, and you've got a 2-hour sequence of video clips and you don't know where it was said, you can now search right within the Premiere panel and jump right to where, find the phrase that you're looking for, and it'll jump right to that point on your timeline. And so it really opens up some different ways of editing, as well as just being able to do what you normally would do, which is create transcripts and captions and all that. If you already have a transcript, say you've used a transcription service, you can bring that into Premiere or into the transcriptive panel within Premiere, and it'll analyze the dialogue of your video and sync that up with all that, and you'll get timecode on all that text, and that'll be searchable too. So it's a pretty cool solution, and we're getting a lot of great reviews about it, and people seem to be liking it, so we're pretty excited about it. So this is what Transcriptive looks like within Premiere. The process is you either select your sequence, or you can also batch process files. So we can batch a whole bunch of files or a folder or all the videos in the project. But let's say we have a sequence. We can come up to the transcribe button, click on that, and this will bring up my transcription window. I can select what speech engine we're going to use, either Speechmatics or Watson. Speechmatics is the more accurate one. Watson's cool, it gives you 16 hours free per month of transcription, but if you're going for accuracy, Speechmatics is much better, and it's only 7 cents a minute. You can have it identify speakers, identify questions. You can select any of the 28 different languages that it supports, and especially with the more common languages, English, Spanish, German, the like, it's extremely accurate. And that's really the benefit to Speechmatics, is you're going to get 90–95% accuracy, and if you're doing captions, it just makes it very easy to do that type of thing. And align current text is if you already have a transcription and you just want to sync it up to the dialogue. But if you want a new transcription, you just set up these options, you click the continue button, and then we will upload the audio to the speech service. They'll transcribe it, and we'll get text back, and we display that all within the transcription, all within the transcriptive window. And then once we're there, we can click on each word, and you'll see that the timeline jumps to where that word is at. If we do a search, we'll search for whales, which is what we've done here. And you can see it highlights the search results, and it's going to jump to everywhere it's said. So as we can scroll down to, say, another instance of it, click on that, and the time marker will jump to that point on the timeline. So it just makes it very easy to search all that. And of course you can edit it. It's basically a word processor within Premiere, specifically for transcriptions. And so it's very easy to edit. There's lots of keyboard shortcuts to make the editing process go extremely fast. And then once you've done that, you can go up here and export it, either as plain text, if you want to do paper edits, hand it off to a producer or client. You can save it out as Premiere markers, or you can save it out as an SRT file or VTT if you're doing social media. If you want to do closed captions, we support SMPTE, and those will import right back into Premiere, and you can set up either 608 or 708 closed captions, and it's all very easy.